Hi buddies, today we will see how to create cracked text behind someone or something very easily in just 2 layers. My name is Ramesh and you are watching Pixoframes. So this is the background we are working on. Make a new layer, select text tool and write anything you are willing to. I am writing Photoshop tutorials. Take Move tool, increase the size of the text and adjust in the middle of the canvas. Now double click on the text layer and you will see blending options. Go to underlying layer and increase it to give crack effect. And stop when your required effect appears. So it looks good now. Now decrease the opacity to 30% of the text layer and click on the layer mask. Now select the background layer and take Quick Selection tool. Make sure caps lock is off and start selecting the grid. If mistakenly you select the area that was not required, hold Alt key to deselect. The selection tool will be converted into minus by holding Alt key, and you can remove the errors that were made during the selection. Now go to the text layer and select the layer mask. Take brush tool and remove the text which was shown on the body. The selection was made to remove the text quickly and easily. Now you can take the opacity back to 100% and this is that look. To make it more appealing, go to adjustment layer and select color lookup. There are many adjustments that enhance the ambience of the image. Take any you feel perfect according to your specific image. So that's our transformed photo. This editing can be done in many other ways also. We hope you liked the tutorial. You can share your experiences in comment section, like the video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with another video.